Hello and welcome to day 5 of the Taskmaster Advent Calendar. I'm Gareth Moore.
And I'm Laura Jennings.
And we are puzzle and brain training authors, but in this video, obviously, we are not writing puzzles. We've written many of them, but we are solving. And yesterday we discovered that behind, it's got very bright there all of a sudden, behind the cow.
The festive cow.
The festive cow.
The Christmas cow.
Maybe it's celebrating comic relief, or thinks it's Rudolph.
That's, yeah.
Rudolph cow.
Festively speaking, yeah, I think that's probably it.
So let's have a closer look in here. So day 5. Judy Love and Mike Wozniak each named 5 of the episodes in their respective series, a higher number than any other contestant in the UK show. Is that something that happens on the show, that the contestants get to name the episodes? I
don't know, maybe. But I'm also noticing that 5 isn't underlined, whereas previously when it's matched up with the same day,
yes,
it's underlined.
You're right. On every other day, the day number has been underlined in the prompt. Like days 2, 3, 4.
Matchy.
But not here.
And possibly 1 as well?
I don't know about 1. One was
is next door.
We'll have a look.
Let's have a look. Let's double check. I think it
one
was,
underlined.
There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Great.
So here's a day 5
task.
I'm going to have a look inside the room in a minute. Oh, there's a phone there.
We've got a phone.
It says call Alex. Didn't we have to actually call Alex? Oh, it's a number. It doesn't start with a 0. You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now. How many digits is that? Well, way too many for a British phone number. So I guess we're looking at a word we can spell out on the phone. So to that end, we should probably look in the room. All right, so here's the room.
Behind the Christmas cow.
Right, ooh. It is a regular phone panel, I think. A regular phone keypad is probably the word.
Well, they're in the wrong order.
Oh, you're right.
In that way, it's a
I didn't notice that. I looked at the letters and was like, oh, those are regular.
They're the same.
It says TM, which is Taskmaster, another banana, another pineapple. But what we need to do is look at this.
So it says call Alex. That's our number.
So it's not one of those old things where you had to tap it multiple times,
I guess not.
So we just need to select a letter from each of those days.
Yeah, but how?
Well,
so 7, for example,
is nothing. 7 is blank. So let's just put the number here. 7,
3, 1. 6, 3, 7, 3, 0, 2, 6, 9.
They got a bit closer as we went across, didn't they? So the 7s are blank because they are nothing, right?
They're nothing.
And then I'm guessing that 3 is PQRS, 1 is DEF. So we've got a possible vowel here. I'll write the possible vowels because they will help us structure the word.
This is very complicated.
6 is MN or O, and 3 is not. So hang on. Well, we've got PQRS for 3, and again here, right? Mm-hmm. So what's going to go in the middle? If it's not E, it's D or F. I don't think D or F can go after PQR or S, really.
Surely this isn't what they intended.
This is an E, and 6 is M or N. So it could be, well, it's got to be an E, and then it's got to be, well, maybe I'm doing this wrong, you're right.
This just feels like qualitatively different to the other.
Harder than the other days.
Yeah.
I agree. It's actually quite hard to form a word out of these. Well, I mean, it won't because there's no options. Are there any words that can be formed at all? If you've got P-E-O something, no. Pens, yeah, you can do pens. And then over here, 3 is again P-Q-R-S. It could be pens, pots or something.
ABC.
O is ABC. Let's say it's an A.
2 is JKL.
It could be BC, JKL. Okay, well, that's going to narrow it down, isn't it? 6 is MNO. Let's say it's an O, but it could be MN. I've slightly run out of space here. And 9 is a GH or I. So it could be NG at the end. Let's write these letters out again. So this is the second word that I've written at an angle because I'm sitting to the side. But it could be, well, this has got to be an A because nothing else is going to come after that. And this could be L, Palnig, Palon, Palog.
I don't think it's this.
Yeah, well, I think we've. There's no words you can form with that. You can form Salmi. The best you can get is Salmi, but that's not a real. I mean, it is a word, but I don't even know what it means.
Yeah. I wondered if it was to do with the 1, 2, 3, 4 that we've just had signalled on the doors up to now, or whether it was to do with call Alex, as in if you put in the numbers of
Alex's name.
So that would be 0, 2, 1, 4. If there's a
something on that. What's this for?
But what's the phone number?
That phone number must be relevant. Have we misunderstood? Maybe you ignore the numbers on the phone and use the numbers on an actual phone? But then what's 0? And 1 is a space, right? Or maybe we renumber things using that panel below, using the phone and keypad.
But then again, you've still got the problem of matching those to letters because you've got the groups of letters.
All right, well, it's definitely time, just for purposes of explanation, to see how the hints work for the calendar.
Okay.
So it says start here, but there was somewhere to take hints, wasn't there? Yeah. Needs help for hints or to check your answer before opening the door? Visit puzzlepost/TM Advent Answers.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Let's do that.
All right, so this is the Advent Calendar website, and we are on day what, Laura?
We are on day 5, I think. Yes.
Call Alex. You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now.
Oh, that's nice. It tells you what should be in the room. I suppose if people don't have...
The day 5 task.
Yeah, that's our little piece of paper.
We have that.
Yeah,
Clue 1.
Clue 1.
That phone number looks like nonsense. This will never work on a normal phone. Try using the phone box. The phone box is what's in the room, right, with a reordered pack.
I guess so.
7 on the phone box keypad is where a 0 would be. Okay, well we've already noticed this, haven't we? Clue 3. What are you waiting for? Pick up your phone and call Alex.
Oh, so
we're actually
going to make a phone call?
Oh, I was trying to decode it.
Yeah, well, I was using
Why
the
would
letters.
they put the letters on? Oh, I guess maybe to help you anchor it. Okay, let's make a phone call.
Okay, so what we need to do is imagine that
all the people.
Okay, so I'm going to write the numbers. I'm just going to write them here so we can see what it would be.
All right, okay, so we need to convert this into an actual phone number. I thought it had too many digits. Maybe it doesn't.
Maybe it doesn't. Okay,
right.
So I've written out, this is what the normal numbers would be. So I'm going to write them out here. So we've got 1, 2, 3 to 9. I should put it to 0 at the end, actually. But 1 on a normal phone would be...
Where 5 is on this one.
Where 5 is. So it goes 5,
0,
1,
9,
2. Oh, 6 is the same. Lovely. And then...
3, 8, 4.
3, 8 is the same. 4. And then this is 7. So if we
right.
called this number... So we've got 7... on our actual phone call, it's going to be 0. Okay, so will you tell me what
I'll read out the phone number. I'll read out Alex's phone number.
You read out Alex's phone number.
So 7
is 0.
3
is 7.
1
1 is 3.
6
is 6.
3
is 7.
7
is 0.
3
is 7.
0
is 2.
6
is 6.
9.
And 9 is 4.
Shall we try phoning it then?
Let's try phoning it.
All right. Right, let's call the number.
Okay, 07
07
367
367
072.
072. Zoom out a bit.
That's not enough numbers.
I haven't finished yet.
No, I know. We've not written down enough numbers here.
Oh.
There's not 2 2s. What have we got wrong? Okay, now we have a number.
What was the actual number then?
So 367
072 564.
564. We're just missing the 5.
5 6 4. Should we call it?
Let's call it.
Here we go.
Hello, it's me, Alex. If you've called this number, you've either solved a puzzle or made a terrible mistake. By the way, you must find the cake on a chair. You must find the cake on a chair. It feels nice.
Amazing.
Right. Find the cake on a chair.
Okay,
so we overthought that puzzle. And you were right from the start that what I was doing seemed too hard. You said that at the beginning.
It's always good to explore the options.
A cake on a chair, all right.
Cake on a chair. So we need a chair. And we need a
chair
cake.
here and the cake.
Where? Here. We've already opened that door.
Oh, I haven't got it.
Where's the cake?
Well, I mean, there, that's a cake.
Oh, I'd have said that was a pie.
Maybe it's a pie. All right, you're a bit of a pie-dent. See what I did there?
Terrible. Okay, a chair.
A pizza cake. It's not on a chair. Does it say on the chair? I've already forgotten what he said. It's a good thing you're here.
Cake on a chair.
Why would there be a chair on the roof?
Why would there be a pineapple on the roof? Oh, cake on a chair.
You found it.
Cake on a chair.
So we go. All right.
That wasn't the end. Quite straightforward.
Well, it was.
Let's have a look. It should say day 6.
It had all those letters on the pad, which really confused me.
It did really confuse us.
Day 6 contestants. Right, there we go. Well, if you've got this calendar, it'll be interesting to know in the comments how you did compare to us. Did you overthink it like I did? Or perhaps underthink it. Depends on your point of view. Either way, do please join us for day 6.
See you there.
Bye.
Bye.